I received a distress call that Rose is not comfortable. She's crying. She has been calling. Listen, no, however the numbers of call you are giving police, let me tell you, Rose, I always draw my diagram before I start to paint it. You arrested me, good and fine. You emptied my house, police kept it waiting for you. I arrested you, good and fine. I took what belonged to me. Police had to still keep it waiting for you. So that if we meet with proof, everybody will not take his or her properties. So you don't need to cry because it will not work. If you work, that police will know, say not be me. You don't need to cry. If it takes you 100 years to visit Nigeria, we will not go before the police. And if the identification not clear, is not accepted by both of us, we will not enter court. So if you take on 1 million years to clear ourselves, the things they took from me and you will be in court. That is the way. So you crying to the police, if you like, cry to anything that is more than police commission self, because police commission is what you should cry to. How they call it, police committee commission, something like that. If you cry to police committee commission or whatever they call it, it will still not work. They cannot release what they take from my house in your order to me. They are also not going to release to you what I took from my office at Ikeja to you. You not study the case before you start on, Mabi. You not study the case before you start on. The same way I have the proof of how I buy house, you know, include. How I build house, you know, include. Evidence of message when I send you, when you convert to your receipt. I have evidence of payment. You have the receipt in your name. I have I send my money. You must also have the evidence of this thing you are crying. You must have the proof. So, even though I may say, let me honor police calling, they want to talk to both of us on phone. No. Now court will talk to us physically. I'm going to honor it too, but you should know where it's going. Now court will see me and you physically. It's not a phone talk. But I will honor it. So you're crying. Why not cry to your online? I never check. Maybe you don't cry to them. Tell them, update your fans now, your gullible fans. Why are you not updating them? Me, I don't have anything to hide. Whether I am wrong, whether I am right, I dey put am online. Some people say they don't like me again. I include children. When you include children, they not talk to you. I don't need them liking. I don't need their love. This is a fight of my life. This is a trial time, and we must get a winner. And I am winning, and I must win. So it's not a fight and settle behind. Though, Rose, you did something in public. You want to settle it behind? No, they can't settle this behind though, and they can't settle it as in ghost settlement. It can never be ghost settlement. You have to be settlement, life settlement. Your appearance is needed. My appearance will be needed. My appearance and your appearance must be. You must appear in this Nigeria. Before you find person trouble, you must have weight. You don't already weigh me. Say you go fit deal with me now. You can't just wake up overnight and start fighting me. You have weight that you can't finish me. Let me tell you, there are limits police can go. I hope you know. My properties, my gold. You use police to take it away from me forcefully. You use police to take it away from me. All that gold belongs to me. All the gold belongs to me. Whether fake gold, whether iron bender gold, they belongs to me. All the receipt belongs to me. You never start case, so you not rest. You not let police rest. They want to talk to me and you online. They will make I call urgently. They will connect Rose online. Go and connect your family. Go and connect your family. I'm going there to honor it. But when I come out, I will give update to my fans. Any police that release anything to you, the police will follow us enter court, go bear witness. You know there are limits police can go. If I tell police I want my case to go to court tomorrow, they will only say, please give me time to prepare it. Then it must surely go Friday or Monday. Let's enter court. I'm going to honor the police, hear what they want to say. They say you want make we talk, make you call on phone, make them me and you talk. Make me and you talk. You want to hear my voice? You never serious. Yeah. We never start case. So I'm not telling you now that I will not sleep one day in this case. I am not telling you now that one day I will not go to that prison quickly and come back. But that is when the case even starts. Do yourself a favor and make yourself available in Nigeria. You have all it takes to be in Nigeria. Don't lie to them. Your passport, now you carry your hand, give asylum center. So if you need it today, they will give you at the airport. So you can come and sort it out. You cannot pursue 2 rats at a time. Leave one side there, come here, leave here, day there. Shege Barawo. Police tell me not to do my case online. Am I not online somebody? They didn't say it now, they said it then when you arrested me. In the name of Abeg, will not be said they mandate me, order me. Please, she said you they do this online, you they do that online. Please, for now, please, let it go down for now. Go down way. I'm saying the police are watching me. This is getting out of police hand now. It's getting out because this is the time to charge the case to court. When they make an arrest or they make any recovery, they will write. They are waiting for the parties to say no, want to proceed to court. Even if I go there tomorrow, if I have the time, I go there tomorrow. I won't talk much. I want this case to be charged to court. It has to be charged to court. All right. That is the update. Let me make it short. I can come for another video for my spiritual work. And for those of you who need my number is in this page. Since you don't know it's in this page or how to get it, the number is 090. I repeat, 090 60 29 1622. I repeat, 090 60 29 1622. Let me read comment before I drop. She was thinking she's wise. Wallahi. But the waiting they surprise. Why is she not saying all this thing online? Why is she talking behind? She's not. All the gullible fans, she not they put them on a truth. She not they give them joy again. Why not buy half charcoal? I've read that one. Balogun say good afternoon. Good after. How to say na she come mumu. Yes, so. Let her come out openly, apologize and promise to be good. Terry said, great obo. Boluga say she don't beg. No, I've answered you. Bros or bro say, boss, add more fire. I trust you. Good afternoon, bros. That is Abdul. Abdul. If not the Abdul, when I know of TikTok, I bet chat me. Then Tessie say, I greet you, Obo. Okay, so far so good. That is the comment, and that is where I need to stop things. James K said, say, the woman is very rude. Okay. Godwin Obazi say, peace deal. Maybe you want to say priest. You say peace deal, bro. Oshachi favor child. Say, please calm down, Oga. Please, for the sake of the innocent kids, for this woman, and move on. We will leave case for people not even they get it right. We will leave case when she dey fight me, move on. We will leave my property when she pack almost, move on. If she want us to move on so that we have peace, remember she has to go to my village to go and do cleansing. She need to confess. She need to say what happened. So it's a long way. Marry or no marry, it's a long thing, no, very long. Case there now. You don't say my property there for Lagmo. Some of my properties and my documents. You must understand what they call move on. It's empty fight that you move on. Who opened for you?
I have made my own key.
Okay, but I heard you knocking.
She was one.
Okay, she didn't know. Oh boy, how are you? Yeah, maybe he's hungry. You want mommy to cook evening food, Abby? All right. All right. Well, before you talk of move on, how is it possible to move on? My property are in the station. There is case. Case is going on. Forget that. Forget the fact that she's not talking about it. There is case, so you get it. If you don't get it, forget it. Have patience, bro. You must win her in everything. We are with you, bro. Thank you, Jane. Oh, sir, all this fight doesn't make sense, sir. Please, pity. Waiting. Okay, oh, maybe I'm fighting myself. Oh, you forget that it's she that is fighting me. Oh. The only way to make peace is the truth. Most of you are not saying the truth. Peace, when there is war, is lie that cause war. It's misunderstanding that cause war. It's violence that cause war. It's rudeness that cause war. It's underrating that cause war. It's neglect that cause war. So when you now need peace, all these things must be, neutralized. Then you now stand on the path of truth, even though it might be bitter. Then the person you are not talking to now feel relaxed. Now the truth I'll be waiting for. I don't have any issue. If I make one video, she will come make opposite video. These children, they are Jesus Christ children. No, is that what they call peace? They trigger me. If I make another video that I don't have to do with children, these children, I will change their name. In short, I have changed their name. Oh, you mean I should not announce it today? If I make another video, instead of her to think of the stupidity in her, she will dance and say, I'm pumping champagne. No. If I make another video, she will come out to house when I suffer for, house when I build to. Una dey very yeah. Most of now when they take make peace. I think earlier you wake up on time, and if not, she will take all your property, said them. Yes. So they are telling me calm down. Those people telling me calm down, they are her side. They really thought I could calm down so that the woman can be acting. Crocodile, calm down. Okay, that is the latest. I'm receiving distress call. Police need to talk to us. Please come now. That is, they are even saying I should come even when I have things doing. Say, I'm too busy, which is truth. Alright, God bless you. Now, court they talk to us, not be police, but I will honor them. And let me remind her, you still have my 2 vehicles under your control, and they were not there yesterday. They are not there rather. 2 vehicles. I still have 2 vehicles under you. That either you return it, or maybe you have sold it without telling me. You return the money. you still have two vehicles of mine with you. So I no take and make love, I no give you. Now help me say now I give you. So I need them. Dun, 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 dun.